Hi guys, welcome back. We're on a 4-day canoe trip down the river, so we're using this local site that we normally camp at as our first stop off. If you watch the videos before, you'll know where we are. And then tomorrow we're going to go down a little stream and follow that down and do multiple campouts as we go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's going to be quite exciting. Got a piece of kit to try out as well. Nice ground mat that I've sourced, so give that a whirl. So I'm with Becky as well, so it's me and Bex on our 4-day excursion. So I bought bits and pieces, and also if you want to see my loadout video, I'm now on Patreon, so if you want to support me on there, keep the channel going, keep it alive, you can go over to there and see my loadout video. I'm going to be uploading on a weekly basis bits and pieces, private content and bits and pieces if you're interested. So it's $1 a month minimum subscription, you can see all my private videos. So I'm not asking for loads and loads of money, just $1 a month will help me and help me progress with where I want to be and all my excursions in the outdoors. So you guys have been great to messages and that, so it'd be great that you support me on Patreon. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to get set up now. We pulled the boat up. Becky's got all her stuff set up. We're going to just sleep under the stars I think tonight. So you'll see our setup as it progresses. So catch you in a bit guys.
Woo!
There's the Becky, the Bexter, all set up, all ready for the 4-day. She's all excited.
It's 5 days, mate.
Yeah, 5-day trip.
Yeah, it's going to be good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be really good.
Really nice weather as well.
Bought a bit of food, nothing too extravagant because we've had to travel reasonably light because we're going down the stream. So it'll be good. Be like the Amazon tomorrow.
Yeah, it'll be really nice. Can't wait.
We dosed up on a bit of mosquito spray and I bought bits and pieces to keep the mozzies away. So I just acquired this great mat, sleep mat from Zemph. So it's self-inflating. So I'm going to test this during my 5 days down the river. So it's a great piece of kit and it's got a built-in pillow as well. So we'll see what this is like. This will be my first night on it. So I've put the LAVVU up, I'm just going to lay it down on top of the grass. It'll be perfect. Let's see what she's like. There's nice, really nice quality. And the thing I like about this, you know, I'm going to kind of compare it against my Neo Air. The thing I like about this is it's not so noisy. It's quite quiet to sleep on. It's the only thing with the Neo Airs, when you turn over they make a bit of noise. And another aspect is it's self-inflating, which is really good, so I can just throw it down and forget about it and then come back and then bed's pretty much made. Apart from the pillow, that's the only bit I've got to pump up. And I love the colour. So I'm all camo this week. So let's get this set up and see what it looks like. And it rolls up really nice as well, really compact. I'll let you know tomorrow what she's like. Very nice quality. I'll open that valve now. It's got a nice valve on this end, so I'll open that up and get her to start sucking some fresh air into her. And I'll blow the pillow up. There's the other part for the pillow. So I'll inflate that now. I'll show Becky this, she'll be jealous. So it goes really well with me green LAVVU. Becky, feast your eyes on this new unhooking mat I've got.
Unhooking mat?
I mean, sleep mat.
Unhooking mat.
like the old fishing days. Feast your eyes on this. So I've blown the pillow up. It's self-inflating as well, so don't have to blow into it. You just open the valve. Yeah. So no pillows.
Oh yeah, you got your own pillow there.
You want to try it?
What, right now?
Well, later during the trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let it blow up first.
Yeah. So we'll see what that's like. Starving.
Yeah, so.
Becky's sitting back enjoying the sunshine. Had a nice pot mood leech, brick roll. Just chilling out now. Beautiful, lovely evening. Gonna ask for better weather. It's a nice breeze as well, so it's keeping the mozzies away. So some of you guys probably noticed that are regular to my channel, I didn't bring the electric motor, so I manned up today and rode the whole way, because where we're going tomorrow there's no call for electric motor, so it'll be all single oar work. So Becky's gonna try the mat out. It's fully inflated now. I think about turning in soon for the night. So what do you think of the inflatable mat there, Becky? You can put your shoes on me.
Oh, can I?
Yeah, go on, go for it. It's all an expedition. Built-in pillow as well. What do you reckon?
I really like the pillow, that's well nice.
But you're not feeling the floor.
It is nice. Yeah, I like this. It's nice. That pillow's a really good idea though.
Don't get too comfy, Becky. You got your own bed. We're just having a hot chocolate now, guys. Enjoying the sunset, and then we're up reasonably early tomorrow, and then we're heading down the stream. So we'll show you that as we go down. So it's going to be quite exciting. Under trees and round little tight turns, and find somewhere to camp tomorrow, so it's going to be quite exciting. Quite looking forward to it. But this sunset, it's gorgeous. Just watch that go down, and then I'll be putting a few Z's out, I think. Huh?
Really, Z's or Z's?
Z's, Z's. Yeah. So, good night, guys, and we'll see you in the morning for coffee. And Becky's making.
Am I now?
Yeah. So if you want a coffee, come see Becky in the morning.
I'm your gal.
Morning, guys. Great sleep. Matt's been absolutely awesome. Really nice. Really pleased with it. Get up in a minute and get the coffee on, I think. Oh, brand new day. And this pillow bit on here is awesome. Really good. Like to let a little bit of air out because it was a bit too inflated for me, but it's perfect. Can't beat a nice bacon roll, especially by the river. This has set us up for the day. I think I'll have this and then start packing up my gear, loading up the boat, and then we're going to head down that stream we were talking about. So it's going to be a good day. Lovely. All packed up now, guys, so thanks for watching part 1. Join us again in part 2. We'll be heading down Amazonia, as I call it. So thanks for watching, see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.